Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You should know it. Guys, in our fairy tales, we have always imagined a long bridge surrounded by a kingdom and a fairy tale story that come with it. But not every story ends well, and this might turn into a dark side, the world houses and magnificent forts and castles. But also some of them are spooky and said to be haunted by gruesome tales. Here are some haunted castles and forts around the world. Dragsholam, Sloth, Denmark. Dragsholam Slot and Dragsholm Castle in Denmark is reported one of the most haunted castles in all of Europe. The castle is thought to be home at least 100 ghosts. Banff Spring Hotel, Canada. The Scottish-style baronial castle is one of the great railway hotel and reportedly one of the haunted buildings in the country. The castle turned hotel has multiple places with spooky activities. A woman is often seen dancing in the ballroom with fire blazing from her white gown, a family lighting in the hallway that was murdered in room 873. Burg, eltz, Germany. The castle dates back to 1157. The castle has a few rooms open for tourists. Supposedly, one of the most haunted rooms in the bedroom of Countess Agnes. The bed, breast, and battle axe are still present in the room. Chillingham Castle, England, known for the most haunted castle in the region. The dungeons of the castle are filled with tortured tales of prisoners. Local tells the scary tales of a blue boy, the white lady, and Lady Mary Berkeley. Bhangarh Fort, India. The fort lies on the foot of the Aravalli mountain range in Rajasthan, which are abundant in the 17th century. The ruins of the fort are left. As per the myths, a sage who used to live here cursed the city when the king disobeyed him. The fort is closed from sunset to sunrise. So guys, that's all about my today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.